Hello friends. So today I'm going to talk to you about introducing sounds 3. Now introducing sounds 3 is a little different from introducing sounds 1 and 2. Over here we are going to introduce the concept of a beginning sound to a child, the concept of a middle sound and the concept of the ending sound. And then we teach the child how to blend the sounds. And after that we start with the reading of the 3-letter CVC words. So if you will see, the first exercise is, so this is the beginning sound worksheet. As you will see, there are words at the bottom which you can cut and keep it aside for the child to use. Once you help child identify the picture, you ask the child to identify the beginning sound of the picture, and then once he has identified the beginning sound, ask the child to choose from among the sounds that you have already cut and prepared for him. And if he is able to choose the correct sound, you can ask him to paste it in the box over here. So this is how we do identify the beginning sound of the picture. The Anandaya Foundation has detailed videos about how to go about doing the beginning sound and the middle sound and the ending sound worksheets with the child. Similarly, we will do identify the middle sound. Now, if you will see in the middle, we always have the vowel sound. We have already prepared the child with identifying the vowel sounds. So if the child has done those exercises well, this should not be a problem. And this page works very similarly. Beginning sound worksheet, where again you have the sounds at the bottom which you can cut and keep it aside for the child to identify and paste them correctly. So now this is an activity based way of doing the CVC words with the child. And now similarly we have the ending sound worksheet. So once you are able to do these separately, the child is ready to start blending the words. So the next set of exercises is about now blending the sounds. If you see, we have the right column, the middle column and the left column. So over here, now we ask the child to look at the picture, choose the beginning sound from the right column, the middle sound from the middle column and the ending sound from the left column. And by now the child is also most probably writing, so they can start writing. This is how we do blending sounds. And the last exercise in this workbook is about identifying the 3-letter words, reading the 3-letter words, identifying it with the correct picture and pasting it. So you can either cut these and the child can paste it below the pictures, or they can write it. So friends, I would also like to remind you that saying the sounds in the right way is very important. And to understand how to say the sounds, how to pronounce the sounds, I would request you to go to the videos which are there on the website of the Anandaya Foundation to understand how to say the sounds, and so that you are using them correctly with the child. Also, the Anandaya Foundation website has detailed versions of how to do the beginning sound, the ending sound worksheets, the middle sound worksheets, also the vowel sound worksheets. So when you look at those videos in detail, you would have the correct language to use when you are doing these worksheets with the children. Thank you.